Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be talking about the best non-stick cookware available in the market today. Non-stick cookware is an essential part of any kitchen, especially for those who love to cook. It makes cooking and cleaning up a lot easier and more convenient. However, with so many options available in the market, choosing the right non-stick cookware can be a bit overwhelming. That's why we have done the research for you and have compiled a list of the best non-stick cookware available in the market. First on our list is the Tefal E93808 Professional Total Non-Stick Fry Pan. This pan is made of high-quality aluminum that ensures even heat distribution, and it comes with a titanium reinforced non-stick coating that is durable and scratch-resistant. The pan is also dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean up after use. Additionally, the Tefal E93808 has a comfortable silicone handle that stays cool to the touch, making it easy to move around during cooking. Next on our list is the RACHAEL CUCINA Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set. This set includes a variety of pots and pans that are all made of hard anodized aluminum, which makes them durable and able to withstand high heat. The set also comes with a PFOA-free non-stick coating that ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. Additionally, the set includes shatter-resistant glass lids that allows you to monitor your cooking without having to lift the lid. Another great option is the CALPHALON Classic Non-Stick Cookware Set. This set includes a variety of pots and pans that are made of hard anodized aluminum, making them durable and able to withstand high heat. The set also comes with a dual-layer non-stick coating that ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. Additionally, the set has stainless steel handles that stay cool to the touch and allow for easy maneuvering during cooking. If you are looking for a premium option, the all-clad HA1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set is a great choice. This set includes a variety of pots and pans that are all made of hard anodized aluminum, making them durable and able to withstand high heat. The set also comes with a PFOA-free non-stick coating that ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. Additionally, the set has stainless steel handles that stay cool to the touch and allow for easy maneuvering during cooking. Last but not least, we have the GREENPAN Valencia Pro Non-Stick Fry Pan. This pan is made of hard anodized aluminum, making it durable and able to withstand high heat. The pan also comes with a ceramic non-stick coating that is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead and cadmium, making it a healthier option. Additionally, the pan has stainless steel handles that stay cool to the touch and allow for easy maneuvering during cooking. When shopping for non-stick cookware, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, consider the material the cookware is made of. Hard anodized aluminum is a popular choice as it is durable and able to withstand high heat. Secondly, consider the type of non-stick coating the cookware has. Look for cookware with PFOA-free or ceramic non-stick coating as they are healthier options. Lastly, consider the handle of the cookware. Look for handles that stay cool to the touch and allow for easy maneuvering during cooking. Overall, there are many great options available when it comes to non-stick cookware. The Tefal E93808 Professional Total Non-Stick Fry Pan Classic Non-Stick Cookware Set, all-clad HA1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set, and GREENPAN Valencia Pro Non-Stick Fry Pan are all excellent choices that offer durability, convenience, and ease of use. Remember to consider the material, non-stick coating, and handle when shopping for non-stick cookware. It's also important to note that while non-stick cookware is convenient, it's important to take care of it properly. Avoid using metal utensils that can scratch the non-stick coating and use only low to medium heat to prevent damage. Always read the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines for proper use and maintenance. We hope this video has been helpful in choosing the best non-stick cookware for your kitchen. Remember to consider your needs and preferences when selecting the right cookware for you. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!